only way you're really gonna get confidence with the entries, like the confidence to actually take it, is from taking it, because you're only gonna get the confidence that is gonna play out from seeing it play out. There we go, yep. TP1, you can retrace again to this 159 area, which is the 50% of the range, along with that 4-hour gap. Stopped that break even and kept falling. Did you follow your rules? Did you stay disciplined? Were you patient? Did you follow your trading rules? If you did, it's a W day. It doesn't matter if you lost money or made money. All right, so I want to explain this trade a little. I shouldn't have got out that first trade early. If I would have never got out that first trade early, I would have never had to take a second trade. I would have never had to take a third trade. Welcome back to another video, everybody. And today it is Thursday. We're about to see what we could do. As you know, we're inside the trade station. We're inside the office. We got the view in the background. It's probably too bright for you guys right now. But like I said, we're about to get started with the team. I didn't take no trades yesterday. It was CPI. I didn't get any trade opportunities, but we're going to see what we can do today. And I did have a new challenge that I bought on a new prop firm. That doesn't mean all the other prop firms I'm not using no more. It's just like having a credit card. You can have multiple. You can have multiple debit cards. You can have multiple bank accounts. It's just about leveraging multiple and diversifying your funds. Simple as that. So we're going to see. I don't know exactly what I'm going to trade. Likely I'll just trade that prop firm, the new one, just because there's 2 days left of the week and I could pass it in a day. So we're going to see what we can do today and tomorrow. So with that being said, let's stop the yapping. Let's get straight to it. Not for much. We about to see. Because I like that if it could hold this 1 hour gap here, that could be the move down. But it is 9:30, so if I don't think fast, I possibly could just lose it or miss that zone. 30 could retrace again to this 159 area, which is the 50% of the range, along with that 4 hour gap. That could be a trade entry for the longs for me. And the NAS, I still just wanted to come up to this 1 hour gap, but right now, I got no trade yet, still just waiting. Thinking NAS shorts, if we can keep retracing to where we are. I just need a little bit higher to get that 1 hour entry, and I'm gonna get the shorts just a little bit higher so I can get this entry. You know what, I'm gonna get my entry right there. I'm already risking fucking 30 points. Yeah, nah, I'm taking the NAS shorts. I wanna bet on the continuation to the downside. It's been bearish since London. Like 30's pushing right now, but it's been bullish since London. Versus NAS has been bearish, so I'm gonna just, I'll bet on the fact they're gonna do opposite stuff. Fuck it. We just gonna trust it. First trade of the day. Let's see what we can do. Only looking for a 1 to 2. Not looking for nothing crazy. But we'll see. It's not 10 o'clock yet. We'll see what 10 o'clock brings. This close is crazy like this. I don't even know. Faith, I don't even know if faith is an option. Nah, real shit. 30's going down and it makes me wonder, Nas, do I want to hold you? I don't know. It's a tricky one. It's like I want to hold it, but at the same time, it just doesn't look in my favor right now. Fuck that. I'm getting out that trade. I'll watch it again if it comes down to it, but fuck that. I'd rather wait, because this shit is just not in my favor right now. And judging off the way 30 look, if they start doing opposites, NAS is gonna get a good push, and I'm not trying to be in that shit. Not gonna lie to you, so I'm gonna be patient and I'm gonna wait. Fuck that. Fuck that. Look at NAS. Like NAS, like I said earlier, NAS could still go up, and the fact that it's rejecting this gap now 3 times is like, bro, now you wildin'. Now you wildin'. And NAS is just struggling too much. I like when it struggles to get past area, but right now the wicks are to the downside. So even if it drops, I still would need it to go all the way to TP2 for me to take profit. Yeah, maybe it was baited, but we'll see. Unless it's at TP2, that trade wouldn't have been a W yet, so. It wouldn't be the best entry, but it wouldn't be the worst. I mean, it's going off of the higher time frame, but we'll see. It's looking like it wants to leave me again. God damn it. All right, I just got my trade at the 1 hour gap. Last trade of the day. Let's see what we could do. It is 10:30. Let's see. Bells is already in the trade, so let's see. Maybe Bells is magic. We're gonna see. We about to hit TP1. Yo, I pulled out the camera. That shit retraced. That's cool. There we go. Come on, come on. 600 is my 1 to 1. Come on. There we go. Yep. TP1. Smooth little trade. Well, you hit TP1 too? Nah, good work. Oh yeah. Break even on this, John. Not bad. This is the first winning trade on. Well, this is the second break even trade so far on the account, but we'll see. Right now, I'm in the trade still on, what was it, NAS 100, right? Yeah, I'm in NAS 100 long. I'm not even, I was gonna show you guys on my phone, but I'm not logged in on the phone over here. I'm gonna have to log in, but as you guys can see, price is still playing around, but we're break even, so it is what it is. But like I was about to say, I'm about to hop on one of these calls with my students real quick. Let me take this tripod. There's a whole bunch of stuff that I need. There we go. This is what I need for my phone to go on the tripod. But yeah, about to get this one-on-one call, get my boy right, and see if this trade hit TP. I don't see you. You might have to just put your camera on. Like, click on the screen, and it might be like video. Now, yeah, I can see you now.
2017, bro. I've been like, I've been working, I've been working like every day. I do construction on the side with my pops. Yeah, dude, I've been trading. First, I started with Forex, and then I stopped that for a little bit. I've always been like very do because of like.
In terms of just like understanding like liquidity and like the more price action, like entries and everything, just have the actual price action. I'll try to do that Saturday so you can get benefit from that with everybody. But Sunday we'll have the back testing session. But like I said, the only way you're really gonna get confidence with the entries, like the confidence to actually take it, is from taking it, because you're only gonna get the confidence that is gonna play out from seeing it play out, from being in the trade and having that fear that it's not gonna play out, but it does play out. Like, that's where that confidence is built. But it only comes down to, just like I said, building that gradual confidence from first seeing it from the back testing to be like, I've seen this happen hundreds of times, and now it's just a matter of me seeing it before it happens. Then you want to get the experience of seeing it before it happens, and then once you got them both together, it's just a matter of compounding and doing that same thing every day, and you just get more confident with doing it. Like, even with the trade I'm in right now, it can stop me at break even, but I'm also been in many situations where, such as this morning, where I thought the trade was going to stop me at break even. I thought it was going to go to stop loss, so I cut it early, but then it went to TP, but I got out too early. But there's certain situations like that when it comes to me doing something that interferes with the trade. But you know what I mean? But you just gotta let it do what it do. How I feel don't matter. Nothing. It's just a matter of just doing what I'm supposed to, following the plan, and then I just execute and just come back again tomorrow. We just follow the rules. That's all it is. Just got done on the phone with my boy Gustavo, but now it's time for me to get my day started. I got a shower. I'm about to clean up around here real quick, because like I said, these dogs, bro, we got this toy for the dogs yesterday, and they broke it. They're menaces, bro. They can't have nice things. They just can't have nice things. But yeah, I'm tired. The trade ended up stopping me at break even. So yeah, that happened. It's unfortunate as fuck. But you know what? Fuck NAS. Look at this, bro. It stopped at break even and kept falling. Listen, it's 100% break even day. 0 day. I made $0 today. Zero. Showered up and everything. Just took the dogs on a walk. Cleaned up the crib a little bit. Nothing too crazy. But my girlfriend has my Mercedes right now. She's out at Ulta, and then she's going to her cousin's house. She doesn't usually have a car to drive. I'm usually one takes her places, so she's using my car while I have the Porsche. And I don't know what I'm about to do next. I'm either about to go on Instagram Live, or before the Instagram Live, I'm going to work out. Either or, I got to do two of those things. So I don't know which order is going to happen in. All I know is right now it is 12:42, and you guys want to see the bullshit with that trade. So remember the one that stopped me at break even? It went up again and is back at where the entry would have been. It's just so choppy today. One thing I want you guys to know, I'm gonna sit here real quick. I'm gonna get, ew, watch it. There's like some shit on this chair. But one thing you guys gotta understand, when it comes to trading, you don't need to take a trade every day, and you don't define a winning day as a day that you made money. You define a winning day in trading you define it as doing what you're supposed to. Did you follow your rules? Did you stay disciplined? Were you patient? Did you follow your trading rules? If you did, it's a W day. It doesn't matter if you lost money or made money. If you lost money, that doesn't mean it's a bad day. What makes a bad day is doing what you're not supposed to, deviating from your rules, not following your trading plan, going against what you told yourself you're not gonna do. Simple as that. And if you did do it, then you understand that's a losing day. But just because you lost money, made money, or didn't make money doesn't mean it's a bad day. It's just simply following the rules, and I followed the rules, so it's a W day, and I'm gonna keep doing the same thing that got me to this position. It doesn't mean I'm gonna win every trade. It doesn't mean I'm gonna win every single day. But just know I'm gonna be here in a month, and 2 months, and 3 months, and 2 years, and 5 years, and 6 years trading still. Just know that. So let's get on with our day. I gotta do some stuff. So on to the next. Is it hard to pass a 500K clarity account? It's gonna be the same hardness that it would be to pass a 5K account. Just all risk management and having a system that's gonna work over time. Have you hit your first million? No. What apps you use to trade? What do you mean? I use TradingView to like look at the charts, but in terms of actually taking the trade, that depends on what your broker is, or if you're using a prop firm. The C300 run good. I'm thinking about getting it. Yeah, the C300 is a great car. Great little A to B car, smooth little luxury car. Nothing too crazy. It's not a loud exhaust type of car. You pulling up to rolling loud? Nah. What's the best months to trade? I would say around the springtime, spring, March, around there. Spring, the markets be moving nice, in my opinion. I'm finally consistently disciplined with my plan, but this month has been red regardless. It's not gonna be the best month is December. You gotta also keep in mind, your trading rule, your system may work, but just because you're trading doesn't mean you're gonna win. You gotta understand certain probabilities aren't gonna be in your favor. Tips on getting in on entries. Backtest. M4, CSL, or Porsche GT4 RS. I'll probably have to go Porsche. I'm thinking about, after my Porsche run was done today, I'm thinking about I might run an M4 today. We gonna see. I'm gonna see what's up, because the main reason I've been running the cars to begin with is because if I hit a certain amount of car rentals, they were gonna give me a day for free. So I'm gonna be able to get a day of a car for free. So I'm gonna see what's up. This month hasn't been the best because it's trading month been bad. Yeah, this month isn't the best trading month overall. So your system doesn't necessarily have to do it. Like I had 2 break-even trades today. Run a C8. It depends. Like I would have to go to someone to run a C8, but I don't really care to run a C8 unless it's like a Z06. I don't really care to run it. I rented the regular C7 Stingray, and in my opinion, I like the way that one looks better than the C8. And the guy I rented it from, he even said that he had he had the C8 and he traded the C8 in for the C7. All right, right now I'm going to the car. Oh yeah, look at the car. In fact, let me put my tripod and everything up first, but let me show you this trade idea. Bada bing, bada boom. The time, 1:30. Now let me explain. All right, so I want to explain this trade a little bit. Let me take some of this off. I'm gonna end up putting the top on just because it's cold right now, and honestly, I'm gonna put the heat on first. I'm cold. But this trade idea, I want to talk about this trade idea. Why am I taking a trade this late in the day? Firstly, I'm taking a trade this late in the day because I am trying to pass this challenge. I don't necessarily care to pass this challenge. It's for one, only a 50K account. It's only a 50K account that I'm able to risk $1,200 in a day on, which is crazy. And I'm able to pass in a day, which is crazy. So I'm just trying to get this shit passed, and in my opinion, I don't want to spend a whole lot of time on an account that doesn't necessarily need me to. And the main thing I need you to understand is the intention behind your trades. I'm not intentionally having this account. I didn't buy this challenge with the intention of trading it, being efficient. My idea was to trade it to be efficient. It wasn't to trade this account and try to take a month to pass it. No. My idea is to pass it in a day. Try to get that shit done. And considering we only have today and Thursday, I'm trying to get that shit done. And the trade idea itself is fine. It's not a bad trade idea. It's the only thing that is not in my side is the time of day. But like I said, no risk, no reward. 1 hour for value gap, targeting all-time highs, bullish on that. Let's see what we can do. I honestly have nowhere to go right now, so I'm just going to be driving probably to the water just to drive this car. But yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along with the ride. So. All right, we about to go get some food at this Black Rock place. So we had food at this Japanese place yesterday in Sarasota. I didn't know I was gonna eat on a Black Rock, but today I know I'm gonna eat on a Black Rock. Because like I told you, she was with her cousin and she works at a Black Rock food place, so we about to go there. And yeah, that's the vibes. The Porsche is gone. I was gonna get an M4, but he upped the price on it, so never mind, he got it. So yeah, back to the regular car, back to the Mercedes, but it's time to get some food. It's cold, I'm just hungry. Back to the car row. Now let's get to where we gotta go.
We'll see if it's better than
All right, team. So this is where we're going to be ending the video, but I want to talk about the trade idea from earlier because while I'm on my computer, I was just looking at the prop firm stats and everything. So overall, we took 3 trades yesterday. I'm not going to lie. I shouldn't have got out that first trade early. If I would have never got out that first trade early, I would have never had to take a second trade. I would have never had to take a third trade. And why am I saying that? Because the third trade, it ended up being an L. I took one L yesterday after having 2 break-even trades. My FOMO, my fear of missing out, I wanted to try to pass a challenge. I had expectations of passing a challenge, and I took an L. It was 1 loss. It's not the end of the world. I'm still going to be able to trade the account today. And if I get a big enough win, if I can catch, I think, a 1-4 and make back what I lost from yesterday's trade, I can pass the whole challenge plus make back the drawdown. It just comes back to understanding risk management. I'm not going to lose more than what I'm willing to win on a trade. I'm willing to lose exactly what a bare minimum win would be. So nonetheless, it could be break even. It's just a matter of following a system that's going to be able to bring that result over time. So I got about 2 more trades in the account, maybe 1 good trade left because as you know, I'm taking it aggressive. I'm trying to pass it within a day. The rules allow me to pass it in a day. So it's just about having my risk management in check so that I can actually pass in a day. And I can show you guys the withdrawal process, the payout process, and all the above. But as of right now, it was 1 L. But we're going to have a great day tomorrow. We're going to see what we can do on the last day of the week, which is Friday. And then with that being said, we just show up, follow the plan. The L doesn't mean nothing. As I told you guys, you just got to look at the day is, did you follow your rules? If you followed your rules, it was a W day. I followed my rules. The only thing I would say that wasn't within my rule plan was the time of day. But like I said, that intention was key. I understand. I knew what I was doing when taking that trade. It was just a matter of, like I said, FOMO, fear of missing out. I managed risk. I didn't lose anything I wouldn't have lost if I lost other trades. So we just got to keep that in check, learn from it so it doesn't happen next time, so we can keep improving. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. If you want to learn the trading concepts, systems that I use on a daily basis, check out the free trading course. And if you want to get access to live trading Monday through Friday and weekly money mindset trading sessions every weekend, join VIP. And I'm going to see you guys in tomorrow's video.